What is the weight of a 20.3 gram European smallest? So basically these are triangle problems, right? The weight is equal to m times g, right? So we're just going to multiply m by g, but we got to turn that into kilograms, right? So 20.3 divided by 1,000 is not very many kilograms, right? It's 0.0203 kilograms, right? And then weight is just mg, right? So just multiply the mass by the field strength, right? And we're on Earth, so we're going to use 9.81, right? So 0.0203 kilograms, right? And then g is, on Earth, the surface of the Earth is 9.8 newtons per kilogram, right? So let's multiply these guys. 0.0203 times 9.8 is the force of gravity is 0.19894 newtons, or 0.199 newtons roughly, right? Because we have like 3 digits here, so I'm going to give you 3 digits there. All right.